Hello everyone, I have never tried this eye look before, okay, and I'm really happy how it turned out. So let me just show you how I did it. For my eyebrows, I'm taking the MAC pencil because it's nice and tiny and small. I'm just filling all the bold spots, and then I'm taking this eyebrow gel from Essence. It gives that volume, full look, and also makes your eyebrows stay in a place. And I'm taking this concealer which I started using of late very often because I think I got a bit tanned. So this shade Cafe is suiting me a bit in this season. I'm taking this eyeshadow paste from NYX and applying it all over my eyelids, and also setting it all up with a powder from MAC. Then I'm taking this eyeshadow palette from Hilary, Rhoda, and also wetting my brush a bit and taking a light shade first and then a dark shade. That's how I'm going to transition it. Then I'm taking this highlighter from the Revolution palette with a PAC brush and highlighting my eyebrow bone, which is M.A.C, to give my winged eyeliner that transition which I gave the same on top. And then I'm taking this palette from Revolution, taking a black and just giving a winged with that black eyeshadow. I was doing it in my lower line and taking this brush from Colorbar, wetting it for my eyelids because it gives a nice pop to my color. And then I'm taking this Kajal pencil from Maybelline and doing the same thing for my waterline and coloring my inner corner, taking the same concealer which I used, covering my dark circles, and also using the same transition shades which I used on the top in my lower line. Now curling my eyelashes, which is very important, using the Benefit BADgal Bang Mascara. Now for the foundation, I'm using my good old sugar in the shade Romano. Look how perfect this color is for my skin. Right now when I'm tan, amazing. All of you keep asking me about this brush, but honestly it's just a cheap brush from, you can get it on Amazon, Kabuki brush. Amazing it is. I'm using the same concealer, concealing my pigmentation and blending it all with the brush from PAC 219. Excellent concealer brush if you're really looking for one. And then I'm highlighting my face with the NYX HD concealer in the shade Glow, and just highlighting spots where I want it to be highlighted, like mostly in the center of my face. I changed the brush to target the areas properly. Now to set it all up with the powder, I'm taking this brush from PAC 245 and setting all the center of my face only, mostly, and now contour. I'm using the NYX Deep Profound shade with the Real Techniques brush and contouring my nose too. Highlighting with the same highlighter shade and using the same blush palette which I showed you before. I'm doing it on the outside corners of my face using this pencil from MAC Whirl. Lovely color to hide your pigmentation. Look how pink my lips look. And then I'm taking this MAC lipstick, old one, okay, from MAC, yeah. And then another shade, Smoked Purple from MAC again, just to outline and give it a nice contour look, like a plum. And then I'm taking the lip gloss. This is not a MAC video, okay, I just have good products from MAC, in the shade Love Child, and highlighting my face with the same shade I used for my eyebrow bone. Just setting my forehead, removing all the oiliness and highlighting my jaw lines. These are some lovely earrings which are age old. And yeah, that is the look. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you all in my next. Bye.